To start ordering using the Cotswold Coffee Ordering Portal, insert your email and password. If you have not been set a password, please ask the team to reach out and they will send you a login link. Across the top you can see there are a few key tabs including order history, quotations for new products, any unsubmitted orders, and a quick order button. On the left hand side you can shop by category and download an entire PDF catalogue of all your products and prices. Below, in the suggested products, are all the products you usually buy from us, including any that are on your price list. Click into the product to learn more. You can see in what quantity of multiples you need to order in, and request a quote for a product that doesn't have a price. For simple ordering, simply choose the suggested products and click Add to Order with the quantity desired. When you're finished, click the top right Order Total, review your order. You may or may not have an available credit limit. Click Next to confirm your order details such as delivery and billing address, and payment options. If you have a credit account, you can pay by credit or pay upfront with a credit card. You can enter a PO at the bottom and also any comments you wish for this order. Once finished, click Send Order and this will be processed by our team. You will receive an email confirmation of the order and email updates as this progresses.